sa mga qualities natin mga Pilipino is mahilig tayong sumabay sa uso, no? It explains why a lot of these social media platforms are very popular in the Philippines. But at the same time, it can also be a challenge in a sense na kung hindi uso yung fact-checking, kung hindi uso yung MIL, ang uso sa Pilipinas is actually oversharing, no? Share ng share kahit wala namang sense, no? Gawa ng content na hindi naman nakakapag-ambag sa magandang conversation online, right? So I think the goal is really for us to mainstream MIL, no? Pausuhin natin yung MIL not only in our classrooms but also in these very platforms where we exist, no? Na I really would like the sharing of Sir Toff earlier about this EduWow campaign that they're doing. So we need to see more of these kinds of efforts so that hindi naman puro kung ano lang yung uso, kung ano yung trending at viral, yun yung ginagawa natin.